Hey, how you doing? This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show. And while looking for some information about something else, I ran across this website on the internet. It's Where Are All the Hams, meaning amateur radio operators. And I don't know I think it's restricted to the United States. And I'll put the link to this website down in the description below this video. And you have three options here. You can list the entire list of call signs in the United States, and it says it's based on data from 4/29/2018, pretty recent. Or you can list by state, or you can list by zip code. I'm going to use zip code. Here's my zip code right here, and I'm going to say go. And here are all the licenses that it found in the database that are in my zip code. In other words, people that live near me. And it says there are 56 active licenses, amateur radio operators, in my zip code, or around my zip code, or in my zip code, So we're going to click on the zip code, and there they are. And I think I recognize one or two of these, plus myself right here, K4GSK. So look at the first one here. This is Christopher Johnson, A4KN. And yeah, sure enough, he's near me. View actual map location. So I guess you could actually zoom in on his location. Let's try that. What the heck? Let's try it. See what it does. It's loading. Oh my gosh, come on. Could go down and make some coffee in this time frame. Well, don't know why that's so slow, unless it's my stupid internet provider. There we go, finally. Wow, that took a long time. So here is his location. Yeah, he's very close to me. Christopher Johnson. Does not ring a bell. Anyway, let me go back. So it says there's 56 amateur radio operators in my area. So number one, I could try to get on like the 2-meter repeater and see if I can contact these people. Maybe maybe I could get them to let me do an interview of their station or something like that. I don't know. Don't want to bother people. Let me go back and try by state, and then we'll call this a rep. So we're in Florida. We can pick any state. We don't have to pick the state I live in. But I'm going to pick Florida. And then it's so now it shows that there are 45,000 hams in 1,296 zip codes in Florida. And so I guess you could, it doesn't tell you the zip code, it doesn't list the zip codes though. Number of zip codes, number of licenses. Yeah, let's just click on one of these. I don't know. Can I click it? No, I can't click. Oh, there we go. 2,680 active licenses in 64 zip codes, and in his shows zip code 33332 to 33469 down here West Palm Beach. Just kind of interesting information. Again, if you hear somebody on the radio, you can use this to look up their call sign. Like trying to think of a random call sign besides my own. My own's not very much fun. Anyway, check it out. I'll leave a link in the description for this website. Pretty cool. Thanks for watching and have a great day. Bye-bye.